How do you see artificial intelligence shaping the future of publishing, and what should authors do so the technology enhances rather than replaces this creativity?
You cut out again. Are you referring to AI?
Yes, that's right. That's right. So,
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, it's obviously everywhere. And I've tried all the different models because I wanna stay on top of it, but the truth is that AI can't write a book, not yet. It's not capable of a creative thought. I've got no doubt that sooner or later it will be, and it probably will be sooner rather than later. But even if that happens, I mean, if you think about it, like we all get emails today that are written by Chat GPT. So you start reading that email, you know immediately this was written by Chat GPT and not by a person.
yeah,
It's because Chat GPT has a particular voice. So I
yeah.
think even when these AIs get to the point where they're writing novels, they're going to have a voice that we recognize, and that voice is going to be different than my voice. It's going to be different than every other author out there. So what you have to do as an author is just double down on your own voice, your own brand, your own product, and
Mhm.
I think you'll be just fine. I don't think any of us actually have to worry about it.